Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up safe, Gnosis Safe, multisig wallet on Ethereum, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up a Gnosis Safe multisig wallet on Ethereum, begin by visiting the Gnosis Safe website. Click on the Use Now button to access the app. If you already have a wallet, select Connect Wallet and choose your preferred wallet provider, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. If you don't have a wallet, you'll need to create one first. Once connected, click on Create New Safe. You will be prompted to enter a name for your safe. Next, you need to add owners to your multisig wallet. Enter the Ethereum addresses of the individuals you want to designate as owners. You will also need to define the required confirmations for transactions. This is the minimum number of owners that must sign to approve a transaction. After setting the owners and required confirmations, click Next. Review the details of your safe setup for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Create. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction using your connected wallet. Once confirmed, the Gnosis Safe will be created on the Ethereum blockchain. After the transaction is processed, you'll be redirected to your newly created. Here, you can manage assets, create transactions, and review activity. To add assets, click on the Assets tab and then Add Asset. You can either select from common tokens or input a custom token address. After adding assets, you can start creating transactions. Click Create Transaction and select the asset you want to send. Input the recipient's Ethereum address and the amount. Specify any additional details as necessary. Review the transaction details before proceeding. Finally, click Submit. The transaction will require the designated number of owners' confirmations based on your multisig settings. Once enough owners have confirmed, the transaction will be executed. This completes the setup of your Gnosis Safe multisig wallet on Ethereum. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.